Have you ever wondered why drug cartels operate extensive workshops to build their illegal operations? Drug cartels control the supply of illegal drugs and maintain high prices. They are prevalent in Latin America, often battling for territorial control. Cartels limit competition by fixing prices and creating artificial shortages through low production quotas, stockpiling, and marketing controls. Despite common portrayals, cartels often function as loose networks of cells that shift loyalties or rebrand over time to maintain flexibility. These cartels target a vulnerable U.S. population with high demand for drugs like fentanyl, heroin, and methamphetamine. Workshops are crucial in cartel operations used to assemble improvised armored vehicles. IAFVs for territorial control, as seen with the Gulf Cartel and Zetas. A workshop in Tuxpan was discovered in late 2019 where the CJNG assembled IAFVs, highlighting the importance of these facilities for cartel operations. So there you have it. Cartels use workshops to build essential tools in their illegal trade. What surprised you most about this? Let us know in the comments.